And then this one, yes, is in the
That's
First
my
World War.
mum. That's my mum in the First World War. That would be about 1917. When she was at the Munitions Factory. Making bombs for the war. Yeah.
And where would that have been taken?
That was in somewhere down Pentrevellin. Somewhere down there the factory was. I've forgotten the name of it now. Can't remember the name. It's a munition factory, the biggest one.
Does it say on the back? No. What's it say? Anything?
Postcard, is it again? Or?
No.
They were all postcards.
It says mother.
It does say postcard.
Yeah, on there, yeah.
There was a photograph in
What's
the
that
Leader
word?
the other week.
It says mother. I don't know what that word is.
No, oh, yeah, we got the date as well.
Yeah.
Oh, no, hang on. No, 1940, 1980. Oh, munition or something. Ah, that could
Yeah.
be. What is that?
She's on munitions, yeah.
I said that, Munitions Factory.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Making bombs.
I don't think Mary can see it, can you?
1916 to 1918, yeah.
Well, she said 1917, didn't she?
Mm.
Which is right.
Yeah. Yeah, she'd be about... My mum would be, if it was
She
about
was born in,
1917, she'd be 23 then. Because I was born in 1920 when she was 26.
Used to wear some funny clothes, didn't they?
Well, they had to wear those. That was the uniform for the munitions.
She looks fat then. She said how thin she was.
Well, she used to be like that. She used to be fat, then thin, then fat, then thin. She fluctuated a lot.
Right, so well, actually, that's finished the proper photographs now, I believe.